Did you know you can find a rainbow inside a tiny piece of glass? I'm talking about the magic of refraction through a prism. You might remember how light bends when it passes through a glass slab, right? The ray comes out the other side, still parallel, just a little sideways. But what happens if you swap out that boring old slab for a triangular prism? Things get a whole lot more interesting. Picture a glass prism. 2 triangle-shaped bases, 3 rectangular sides, all meeting at angles. When I shine a beam of white light into it, something wild happens. The light splits into a band of colors. Yep, I get a mini rainbow on my screen. Why does this happen? Well, each color in white light bends or refracts by a different amount as it passes through the prism. Red bends the least, violet bends the most, and all the other colors spread out in between. That's how I end up with a spectrum. Scientists call this dispersion. Want an easy way to remember the color order? Just think VibGyor, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. This isn't just a cool science trick. Isaac Newton himself played with glass prisms to reveal that sunlight is actually made up of all those colors mixed together. He even used 2 prisms to prove that the colors couldn't be split any further. And when he reversed the process, the colors merged right back into white light. Rainbows in the sky? Same trick, different prism. After a rain shower, tiny water droplets in the air act just like millions of little prisms. Sunlight enters, bends, splits into colors, reflects around inside the drop, and bends again as it exits. That's why you see a rainbow, always opposite the sun. So next time you see a rainbow, remember, there's a tiny prism party happening in every raindrop. Science is literally all around you, just waiting to shine.